Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, I'm really excited that you're going to be joining me here in this workshop because what we're going to be doing is not only working with water and color and creating a painting, we're building your confidence. Now, if you are new to watercolor, you can go ahead and paint small, and you can even use 140-pound paper if you want, but you will not get the same results as you will working on 300-pound paper. But if you don't have a lot of experience, I want you to become more familiar with the technique before you apply it into a painting. Now, in order to get that mood or feeling and energy that I want in the painting, I will work on a half sheet size piece of paper, and that is actually 15 by 22 inches. Basically, what we're doing is working with the water, a big puddle in the palette, and then allowing the water to carry the color. Now, if you don't have a lot of experience with watercolor, you can do this too. Work on a smaller sheet of paper, whether or not you have 140-pound or 300-pound paper, that'll work just fine. I want you to practice the technique and see what you can do with it. Then, as you build your confidence, slowly increase the size of the painting that you want to work on. Now, what's wonderful about this particular painting style is that we really don't need much of a drawing to it. In fact, this painting right here didn't have a drawing. This one had a minimal drawing because I had the workshop and I needed to give people an idea of where we were going to go, but you really don't need much. It can be any place, any location. Like this one here can be like on the reef, it could be islands, it could be up on top of a mountain looking down into a valley of fog. You could change the shapes. There's so much that you can do. And if you're outside taking a walk and then you look around and you have maybe a misty sky, or even if there's snow, it would be different colors. You could feel like you are walking through one of these paintings. So for you to get started, just work your way down through the lessons until the day of the workshop, and then we'll paint together. I'm going to be sending you an email with the meeting link, or you can find the meeting link within the workshop module. We'll also be using that same exact link to go into a private meeting room after the workshop. That's just in case you'd like to join me there, and then we'll be able to see each other. And if you want to hold up your paintings, you can. And if not, that's fine. Now, if you can't join us live, I'll be sending you the workshop recording, and then you can paint later at your own pace. So make sure to check your email inbox, promotions, or spam folder so you don't miss it. And if you do, just go back to the workshop module, log in, and you'll find everything there, along with the segmented lessons. So I look forward to painting with you, and I'll see you soon.